Above sea level.
What?
It looks like yeah.
Wait, this is wrong.
This part doesn't. Wow, this is so great.
This is the North Star.
Well, this is when it's out to sea is when it goes over, right? Back and forth. That's
Yes, at sea it goes on the side and
It
everything.
goes off the ship and over the water.
Right. That's the one I want to do. I want to do that one to see.
Yeah, you take film of that and send that to us.
It is very cool to do.
This is just the basic, right, Spencer?
Just gives you the taste of it.
yeah.
Do they ever have any malfunction?
Now you're asking?
Yeah.
Let's ask when we get back
Stairs.
Oh yeah, they do have them here though. You see?
Just in case.
Nothing just bad has happened yet.
Okay.
Where's the